Hey good people, welcome back to another video. I'm Tiquana, also known as Q, and today I want to style up these leggings 3 ways. So this is kind of like a 3 ways to wear. My client was going to an event. She showed me these leggings and I'm like, I'm getting them. They are the Naked Wardrobe Leopard Leggings. It's kind of giving tights, but I wanted to try a trend and let's see if I can style these up cute 3 different ways. If you're interested in these types of videos, please like, comment, and subscribe, and tell all your friends. All right, for our first look, we have the leggings. I paired them with this top from Urban Revival. It's the wavy dinosaur arm cardigan that they have. I just have on a bra underneath. Now these leggings are double lined, but they do like kind of stretched out and show, you know how sometimes it show white when you stretch it out, but I don't mind it. And then I paired it with these boots from BCBG. I really like how the feet are in the tight, so it give like a little stir of action, if you will. I just have on earrings, and then I have on like a few gold rings, and then this Valentino clutch. Now I had on a necklace, but it gave, why did you put that necklace on? So I took it off. And this is the first look with the leggings. As I'm looking at it, I don't think I like this. Pin these down. It's not ugly, but I don't like it. Maybe if we can pin these down, but it's still a cute outfit. If I had to wear it, it would be fine. It would be interesting. People would ask where I got it from because it's just an interesting top. So that is the first look with the leggings. All right, next we have on the leggings. They're not snatching at all, so you're gonna have to suck it in if you don't wear a big shirt. And I have on this boyfriend Portofino with it from Express. I have my favorite Zara boots on, the shark boot dupes. And then we're still going to wear this Valentino because I just kept on gold jewelry. And I put on a necklace. And this is the look. This is cute. And we can wear this anywhere. And it tones down the leopard. And these pants feel more like tights for some reason. But they got the feet in. I don't know. They advertise them as leggings. So let me show y'all the full fit. Okay, for a third look, I put on these tinted sunglasses just so I can wear them indoor and outdoor. I also put on this dress. The dress is from Target. It has pockets. I wanted to dress this look down, so I have on slouch socks from the local beauty supply store and my leather Dr. Martens. Oh, y'all can see. And because I wanted to give it like an edgier look, we're gonna wear this BCB clutch and then pop the leather jacket over. And this is the look. I'm noticing that I like a clutch, and it may be because I'm revamping my bags and I want top handle bags, but I'm into it. I'm into the clutches. Now, if you live in the North Pole like me, I will wear like a long sleeve top, like a sheer or a t-shirt tee that's like really fitted underneath here. And then, yeah, that concludes this video. Hopefully I gave you all some info, at least on things that you can wear, some leggings that you may have in your closet that you possibly can restyle. So if you like these types of videos, please like, comment, subscribe. Everything will be linked below that I can find. And until the next video, keep it cute.